Hi, it's Patrick Cranston of Cranston IT with your Bionic Business Vlog. It's my passion to help you use technology to make your business faster, stronger, better. Today I want to talk to you about a simple trick that you can use to make managing all your different online logins easier and more efficient, especially when you're working with them in business. So today, there's lots of online services, websites, cloud services, all different types of things where they want you to use an email address as the login for gaining access to that account. And that's fine if for your personal information, you can just easily put in your personal email or your private email address and sign up for the service. But in business, this becomes more complicated because I may sign up for a service today with my email address, but sometime down the road, I want someone else to be able to log into that account, or I want to give that login to someone else and have them access that account for certain reasons. And if it's tied to my email address, it just makes managing that account a little harder, especially if you need to do things like reset passwords or make changes to the account that require an email being sent. Then I'm constantly getting these emails and I'm not sure where they're coming from or who's initiating that. Or even if I do know, I just have to be involved in the process of keeping the account updated. So what we recommend that our business customers do is to use aliases. Now, an email alias is simply an email address that points to another email address. So let's say I was going to set up an account with the backup service CrashPlan, and we were going to use this account to back up our computers at our office. When I go to create an account with CrashPlan, the first thing it asks me to do is to set up an account and use my email address as the account name for logging in. But instead of using my email address as the account name on the CrashPlan account, I would go onto my mail server and create an alias for, say, CrashPlan@cranstoninc.com. I would then point that alias to my email address or whichever email address I wanted to, and then I would use that alias to create the account. Now, as far as CrashPlan is concerned, the account associated with the CrashPlan account is CrashPlan@Cranston Inc. and not my Patrick@Cranston Inc. email address. So it makes it very easy to manage if going forward I want someone else to get notifications from CrashPlan or get updates from CrashPlan or even just use that service. I can give them that username. It's no longer tied to my account and they can access the account directly. I can also take that alias and have the emails that actually get sent to that email address, they can be forwarded to wherever I need them to go. That could be one or multiple email addresses in our organization. So just a quick tip on how to manage online accounts. I recommend creating a alias for each online account that you have to create that's different. It also helps with email online security because you're never using your email address for multiple accounts. So if someone wanted to hack into your CrashPlan account, they would have to know exactly what email alias had been created for that account. So just a little added security on top of the added convenience when dealing with your online services. If you found my information helpful, please like and share this post. If you have feedback or a question, please post a comment or send an email to ask@cranstonit.com and I'll try to answer it in a future video.